This is the solution to exercise level 2, question 3. So I've got some equations and I want to use small angle approximations, which I've written here, to find an approximate value for the smallest positive root of each of the following equations. Okay, so the first one, we've got 3 cos x minus sine 2x equals 2. So let's rewrite that using the approximation. So 3 cos x is going to be 3, 1 minus x squared over 2, just writing x instead of theta. And sine 2x is going to be approximately 2x equals 2. Now I just want to expand this bracket first of all. 3 minus 3 over 2 x squared minus 2x equals 2. Then I want to make this into a quadratic equation that I can solve, so we want to set it equal to 0. Minus 3 over 2 x squared minus 2x and then plus 1 equals 0. And now I can actually I could use the quadratic formula, but I can also just use an equation solver on my calculator. So if I go to equation mode there, polynomial, and it's degree 2 because it's quadratic, then I want to type in here negative 3 over 2 for the coefficient of x squared. I've got negative 2 coefficient of x, and I've got 1 there, and if I press equals it will give me the two solutions there. So that's 0.387 and the second solution negative 1.7. Now it says smallest positive root, so I want that first solution, so which is 0.387 to 3 significant figures. Okay, now let's have a look at the second one. So I've got x tan x equals 5 sine x minus cos x, and using the small angle approximations, that will end up being x times x, so x squared, and that will end up being 5 sine x is x, is approximately x, then minus cos x, we're going to have minus 1 minus x squared over 2, then expanding this out, x squared equals 5x minus 1 plus x squared over 2. Then again I want to rearrange this into a form I can which is equal to 0, so minusing x squared over 2 from both sides, I end up with x squared over 2, then minus 5x plus 1 equals 0, and again I can just go back in here and I've got this time a half x squared, negative 5x and plus 1 again, and it gives me two solutions. So there's 9.79 and the other one it gives me is 0.204. I want the smallest positive root, and of course these are approximate, so I should really write that. I should put that up here too. 0.204 to 3 significant figures.